Alright, welcome back to another one. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own custom labels that we see on Etsy, these trendy wedding gift ideas. I'm also going to share the link if you want to use mine as a template. As you see, the first thing I'm doing is using a custom size to create a 6x4 document. Then I'm going to go look for some agave, since a lot of these are using tequila, and I start out with an icon and build from that. Normally, if I'm designing something, I will start with a sketch, but since I'm kind of copying what's already out there, I know what I'm going for. So right now I'm looking for some sort of grid shape or frame that's similar to what I'm seeing out there, and I don't find anything, so I end up making it myself. While I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you a couple of the shortcuts I'm doing here. When I'm moving things around, I wait for the guides to pop up. That's how I know if I have it centered, and right now I'm reading the numbers, and since it's 6 inches wide, I want the line to be 4 inches. The label is 6 inches wide. I want the box to be 4 inches wide. I'm going to center it, and then it will have an inch on each side. When it comes to making copies of elements, I hold down the Option, or if you're on a PC, the Alt button, and click and drag, and that makes it, there you go, makes a copy. I do that a lot, and this is Canva, if that was not already addressed or obvious. So this time I'm starting with a template for the text. I end up just choosing my own font in the end. If you are designing your own to print on your thermal printer, graphics like this little agave tree are not going to work that well because of the thin lines. Some printers you can adjust the resolution and get something that looks pretty decent. So it's been a while since I designed anything for you guys, and share the walkthrough video. If you guys have any requests, let me know. Otherwise, I have a couple more following this one, and we'll see what the reaction is. If you guys like this kind of content, please let me know. Alright, I'm pretty happy with how most of this looks. The font combinations look well, the alignment, the contrast, and the spacing. So at this point I'm going to download it, and you can't really adjust the size unless you're paying. But for a small label, this works well, and the software I'm using is Shipping Printer Pro. First thing I need to do is rotate it and then hit print. And while that's printing, I might as well wrap this one up. Please let me know what you guys think of this kind of content. Thanks for all the likes, comments, and subscribes. Catch that 15% discount in the description, and I'll talk to you in the next one.